Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
In 1841, me cutter and riches I put on, me cutter and riches I put on to work upon the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1842, I left the old one for the new. I cursed the bloke who got me through to work upon the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1843, we hit Chicago on a spree. The devil got a hold on me while working on the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. 1844 was standing on the great big shore. Ate some track and saw no more working on the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1845, when Danny O'Connell was still alive, to Kansas City we arrived to work upon the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1846, with the pain in me arse from carrying bricks, hammers and nails and shovels and picks, we're working on the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Is Paddy do this and Paddy do that? Me boss is loud and he is bad. I've had enough sight to fill up me hat while working on the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1848, me hands were busted, me belly ached. We heard of gold and made a stick for working on the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay.
0% brightness.
Work upon the railway. In 1849, the California hills looked back. We found some gold and left behind the workings of the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddly-o-ry-o-ry-ay, 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 to work upon the railway.
Okay guys, so I've got a bit of a strange story for you. So on Saturday night I bought, do you know the sweet strawberry pencils? They're like these thick sweets with like stuff inside them. Anyway, I had them in the packet Saturday and Sunday. Today when I came home from school, the packet had been opened, but the creepy thing is, my door was locked all day. So leave a comment how you think the sweets got opened, and don't be telling me you must have opened them and you don't remember. I didn't. If I had have, I would have remembered folks. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go now because I'm a bit spooked. Anyway, goodbye.
Stop recording.